So today's perspective, I'm using the A75 heading to the city. I'm gonna try to vlog on this camera. Yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog on this camera. Mura siya. Saya mo din nga vlog. Padong kog city and then mudagkot ko. Dapat mo simba but gay makay ko sa pulan, makay ko nya init pa. Di gud grabe kay init pero init siya. So decide ko nya na tud karon date na. So I'm heading to the city right now and I'm gonna dagkot. So let's go. Gonna bring this one. I'm gonna do a bit of city shoot. But mura na siya. Let's go. Also, isamukan ko sa kong tupi. Tanawa, ikat niya akong batilya. Uganahan. Ito ning ipatarong niya. Pero patubuon sa nako. Muli niya akong gym. Gym nga wala ko'y sulod-sulod. Silang absent. Tak-tak na kayo kung klase pa ni. Anyway, let's go to the train station, which is there. The thing about going out today is that free ang trains until the end of January. So wala ko ka-avail. But now, I think I'm gonna be able to avail free trains. So mag-train lang ta, mag-auto. Let's go. Surahan. Munang train station. Morning train station. Yes. Brownia station. There you go. Let's go here. So, muna siya, padung na siya ngadtog bungtod diri padong syudad. Bali, dito gikan ang bungtod ay. Dito ta padong sa syudad. Muna siya. So karon nag-move ta sa 28mm kay mag-try na pug kaning use the first street photography in 28. Anyway, kuya kani siya kay mag-ulan dili ka matago. Anyway, yeah, try na to ang 28mm and this is a very crude vlog. Kanang di ni siya kanang pulido. You can even see the lights are so bad. But then again, ay talang to. So the vlogs is like kanang this is not a pulido vlog because I'm just trying things out. I'm heading to the city and I'm gonna try this camera out. I'm doing the 28 even. So usually 2016 muna siya ang pang-vlogging. But I'll try the 28 because that 28 is in the pang street. Sa Rico GR, sa Leica too. But yeah, I'll use this lens for now. Didako na akong camera before I use the A7C. It was nice because gamay. But this camera is bigger, but it's okay. Anyway, nanan train a few. Let's go. Shot tag mga shadow. Here comes the train. Let's go. Train at Baronia. Good.